VVUSGapDown, and today we're going to go over a place on Friday, which was VVUS. This is on September 21st. And it was a gap down. It didn't work. And there was no reason even to get in this thing short, to be honest with you. It could have worked. It might have worked. It would have been great if it would have worked, but it didn't work. Now, what was the clues with this thing? First of all, it opened 2016. Okay. So it opened under here. Okay. And it opened under here. Okay. But I wasn't crazy about it because it didn't open under here. It didn't open under here. Okay. And on top of that, it came down here. Now, I would have loved this thing where it was at if it would have opened under this and under this. I would have been totally, totally in love with it. But this was not enough for me. This was not enough for me when this and this was here and where it was at. Okay? Sometimes this is a problem. When is it a problem? When there's something in the way. When there's something in the way. Okay? The other thing is this, look at this. Okay, this is the 200. It's almost like straight up. Okay? This shows that every 200 days, stocks are moving up. Okay? Now look at the 1 minute chart. Let's look at what it really did. There is just no entry here. What? Can you see it? Look at it. Look at this thing. Opened 2060, went down to 2035, did a bottoming tail with a green head. It was all over. It wasn't going to work right there. I knew it. In the minute that I saw this thing trade, it wasn't going to hurt because it went down and did a bottoming tail with a green head. Okay? Then it went over the high of the day, another sign it wasn't going to work, and then it rallied. And this is way too strong of a rally for me. Okay? I wouldn't consider this a squish up. I wouldn't consider this a squish up. I consider this a rally. This isn't a swoosh. This is a rally. And either way, a rally up is a rally, and it's too much of a rally for me. A rally off of a bounce is a problem to short into. A rally into resistance is not a problem. As it turns out, this actually is resistance. Okay, I have this number written down. I had 2139 I had written down. It went up to 2140. But I didn't want to short it here because the problem is of this. Okay, this is a bounce and a rally. And even though it rallied into resistance, this isn't clear. Maybe it would have worked, but this isn't clear. I lost conviction in here. I just lost conviction in this whole thing. Okay? Now, it might have worked if it had held here, which it did, come in, which it did, reset itself up to go lower, maybe. Okay? But it just pittered off and pittered off. And really what it was doing was holding here, if you see it. See this? And then when this happens, forget it. And it's too late here anyways, okay? It's way too late here. Way too late. 2125, 2131. When these things act like this, they're supposed to go down, okay? They're supposed to go down. And when they don't, they're nothing. There isn't a buy here. There isn't a short here. There's nothing to do. You go home. You turn off your computer and you go to the gym, okay? You look at it as a short. It sets up. As soon as it opens, it does something that tells you, I don't like it. You're not going to buy it because it's absolutely not a buy. It's a bearish gap. You wait to see if it shows itself that it's going to work. It's not showing you any reason that it's going to work. Okay? And the later the morning goes on, the less you're liking it. And then it does something like this, you say, forget it. You can't buy it. It's a bearish gap. You can't short it. It's not going to go down. What is it? It's absolutely crap. Okay? It's nothing. It's a trap. Look at this. You can tell it's a trap. Look at the 15-minute chart. Bottoming tail, topping tail, bottoming tail, topping tail, bottoming tail, bottoming tail, bottoming tail, topping tail, bottoming tail, topping tail, topping tail, topping tail, bottoming tail. Is there any bar here that is solid with a close and an open? I mean, up until 11:30, if you even attempted to play this in any regard, what happened to you? You were suffering. Unless you just wanted to scalp something for 25 cents, which you don't play VVUS for a scalp. VVUS moves, Okay, this stock has and it trades and moves. Okay, you play this thing, you want to get a move in this thing, and you darn well should. Look at the bars on the daily chart before. This thing moves, 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 moves. Okay, look at this bar, the day that it was on Friday. You want to be in this thing because it moves. And this is showing you, I can't decide what to do. I'm not going to do anything today. I'm going to chop everybody up, long and short. Bottoming tails, topping tails, yada, 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 yada. Okay? It's the problem. So when something has these bottoming tails and topping tails like this, I call them sticks, okay? It's just messiness. Unless it shows you it's ready to go, which it didn't do. So it was just a stay away day for this thing. And it wasn't a long and it wasn't a short. Because it really is a short. It just didn't work. You see? I know it ended the day with the green body. But it just didn't work right. So this is Melissa with thestockswoosh.com. If you have any questions, you can email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com.